However, numerous monetary forms have attacked the much sought-after crypto market. The most talked of and high-positioned are Zilliqa, which is an ERC20 token. This was the appearance of the year 2017 when the CEO of Zilliqa, Mr. Zinshu Dong, and his group concocted this splendid thought of sending off this resource. His thought was upheld by his committed company of specialists and blockchain calculation specialists who rejuvenated this Zilliqa crypto. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Zilliqa and comprehend the Zilliqa cost expectation for what's in store. Zilliqa, the less popular realities. Zilliqa Network is a blockchain network that began in Singapore and was established by Preeiction, Amrit Kumar, Max Cantilia. It embraced the Ethereum blockchain prior to starting its own and is home to many decentralized applications. As a credulous contestant in the venture market around 2018, not very many individuals knew about ZIL money and were a little worried about exchanging ZIL crypto. A significant benefit of the Zilliqa coin is that you can execute rates as the blockchain network extends, adding to a marvelous expansion in the quantity of excavators. Zilliqa is the first of its sort of open blockchain worked with sharding innovation. It runs a programming language called Scilla and carries out functional Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure. It can take care of the current issue of adaptability involving its sharding technique as dynamic scaling arrangement. Zilliqa can address undertaking issues as it can deal with a huge volume of exchanges, upheld by a strong and high data transfer capacity public blockchain stage. The issue ZIL has tended to are the openness issues setting up a cross-breed agreement component. For this situation, hub activity is totally dependent on the confirmation of work hash. A special element of Zilliqa is that it can trap fake or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is equipped for following the previous block. Zilliqa depends on cryptographic techniques that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Thus, security impediments are captured first. The credit goes to the advancement of Syro convention by Zilliqa, which is the standard of the whole decentralized money environment, which is one more send-off in offing. Zilliqa, extraordinary elements. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This detectable characteristic makes it interesting contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and simultaneously lays out a plenty of mining roads. According to the authority site, they focus to change advanced framework across different networks. Thus, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Zilliqa tokens as impetuses in executing shrewd agreements and move reserves. Besides, it has fostered its own savvy contract language called Scilla, by which engineers can compose brilliant agreements according to a security perspective. Various shards assist with handling an exceptionally high throughput of exchanges in a practical, silicon-smooth way with more effectiveness. Examination of ZIL's verifiable value development. The cost journey has been created with shocks combined with exciting bends in the road. The ongoing cost of Zilliqa is at 5 cents, and it exchanges under a downtrend. The market capitalization of Zilliqa is $719,545,402, with $12,289,142,698 ZIL being current flowing stock. Zilliqa cost today is devalued by 20.2% to the cost with which it has entered the year 2022. The last day, i.e., 24-hour cost vacillation, has a by and large story to describe. Specialists take on Zilliqa's figure. While numerous cryptogurus have expressed their perspective on cost forecast in a plenty, not all are similar. While certain specialists give a reassuring conjecture, the others end up being a little wary and giving you liberal freedoms, has given an extremely hopeful view about the ZIL venture for the impending years. According to their expectation for 2030, the ZIL cost could cross $2.03 and past in the impending years. Going by the moderate pattern and a wary methodology, it appears to be troublesome that the coin would stand firm on its situation, and the ZIL cost might exchange around 13 cents toward the finish of 2022. Zilliqa value expectation 2022 to 2026 Zilliqa estimate and ZIL cost forecast outline has really somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from starting towards the year's end. The coin has had a notable excursion over the course of the past year. ZIL coin's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships, new organizations, and improvement would carry Zilliqa to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded cryptographic money. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto rivals. In light of 1-year verifiable information and market cap improvement, there is even a Zilliqa estimate that the cash might think of its own blockchain stage changing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant digital currency trades of the world soon. as indicated by the last year's cost force and from the very outset of this current year. Zilliqa could offer a buy to all negative and cynical patterns, and it could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with idealism. The coin entered 2020 subsequent to experiencing a negative cycle with a cost $0. Later, Zilliqa has denoted another untouched high in the long stretch of May 6, 2021 at 25 cents. From that point onward, the ZIL coin checked moderate development till the finish of the last year. According to Zilliqa cost expectation, the coin has stamped significant adjustment starting from the start of this current year, and it could record negligible recuperation in spite of brief cost decline. From our transient specialized investigation, following are the obstruction level and backing levels of ZIL. Resistance level 1 6 cents, resistance level 2 6 cents, resistance level 3 6 cents, support level 1 5 cents, support level 2 5 cents, support level 3 5 cents. Zilliqa value forecast 2022. The Zilliqa cost is anticipated to exchange above 8 cents in the year 2022. The normal high of Zilliqa cost is 8 cents while the low is 7 cents. The Zilliqa cost expectation for the year's end is around 8 cents. Zilliqa value forecast 2023. The cost of Zilliqa is anticipated to exchange around 9 cents in the year 2023. The normal high of ZIL cost is 10 cents, while the low is 8 cents. The Zilliqa cost conjecture part for the year's end target is around the normal cost of 8 cents. Zilliqa value expectation 2024. For the year 2024, the anticipated normal cost of ZIL could exchange around 9 cents. The normal high of ZIL cost is 12 cents, while the low is around 8 cents. For long-haul financial backers, Zilliqa will be a nice wise venture road. Financial backers can procure over 100% return in the following 2-3 years, assuming they follow the well-known way, purchase on plunges. Zilliqa value forecast 2025. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money, there could be conjectures of wonders. There could be wizardry in the present moment as well. 5 years is quite a while. With a pandemic immunization coming to the front, according to specialists' reports, it might mean a blast time for ZIL. Zilliqa could mirror a huge cost increment and could contact past all-time high worth. Thus, we can expect that it could cross the 14 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for a more extended period. Zilliqa value forecast 2026. The typical cost of Zilliqa is anticipated to exchange around 19 cents toward the finish of 2026. Thus, we can expect that it could cross the 20 cents mark toward the finish of 2026, while the low may be around its vital help level of 18 cents. Also, thus, according to the Zilliqa estimate, transient financial backers or dealers can buy Zilliqa on plunges. Along these lines, they can procure impressive benefits from their speculation. It wouldn't be a distortion that this estimated cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardships, scaling a pinnacle of $1 after 2030. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves following the pandemic, this could come as a relief for all financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and desires to execute in Zilliqa. For enlightening purposes, one might peruse the Stock Watch report and keep a